In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications on your eToro app permanently. So if you've been receiving a lot of annoying pop-up notifications on your eToro app, then to stop them permanently is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and access the info page of this app. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So to get started, go ahead and look for settings. And my settings is here. Then from settings, scroll down until you see the apps option. And I have my apps option is here. Under this, look for the option called manage apps or all apps, depending on your phone. And then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now under this, you want to go on and look for your app. And here is my app. I can now proceed from here and tap on it. Alternatively, you can search for your app here, and then you should be able to find it. If I tap on eToro app here, now you can see I have access to info page. Now, if this process was too long, then let me show you the shortcut. From the app here, just go ahead and long press on it, and then you'll see we have app info. If you go ahead and tap on this, it will take you to the same page of app info. Now from here, scroll down and then look for the option called notifications. Now the reason why you're receiving a lot of notifications is because this has been turned to yes, and we're going to go ahead and turn off this permission. So if you proceed and tap on it, now you see we have quite a number of notifications that have been allowed on your app. To stop them permanently, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications. So if I toggle this off, now the others will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive eToro pop-up notifications. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications on your eToro app permanently on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.